Ever thought about traveling to Switzerland, wondering how to start your Swiss adventure as a fresh traveler? Imagine a land where the mountains touch the sky, where crystal-clear lakes mirror the beauty of ancient forests, where culture and history blend seamlessly with modernity. This is Switzerland, a country as diverse as it is beautiful, as thrilling as it is tranquil. A place where each corner holds a new adventure waiting to be discovered. Well, you're in the right place. We're about to embark on a journey to explore Switzerland like never before. First things first, planning your trip is crucial. But where do you begin? Start by diving into the world of Switzerland. Get to know its culture, its people, its stunning landscapes. The more you know, the better you can plan. Next, select the right time to visit. Switzerland is a year-round destination, but each season offers a unique experience. So whether you're a fan of snow-capped mountains or blooming meadows, choose your time wisely. Then it's time to book your flights and accommodations. Early bird catches the worm, right? So book early and snag those sweet deals. Finally, sketch a rough itinerary. It doesn't have to be set in stone, but having a guide will help you make the most of your time in Switzerland. Include city visits, countryside escapades, and of course, a cheese and chocolate tasting or two. So buckle up, note down these points, and get ready to plan your Swiss adventure. Now that you've landed in Switzerland, how do you navigate through this majestic country? Well, the Swiss have made it super simple for you. Switzerland boasts a smooth, efficient, and punctual public transport system that connects even the most remote alpine villages. Trains, buses, boats, and mountain railways are at your service to take you on an unforgettable journey through the breathtaking Swiss landscape. Understanding the Swiss transport system is like learning a new language, but don't let that daunt you. It's all about knowing your way around the Swiss travel system's all-in-one tickets. These tickets are your golden key to unlimited travel across the Swiss travel system network. Getting around efficiently is all about timing. Swiss trains and buses run like clockwork, so always be a few minutes early and don't worry about getting lost. The Swiss are renowned for their friendliness and are always ready to guide you. Remember, understanding how to navigate through Switzerland can make your travel experience even more enjoyable. You've planned your trip, you've navigated through the country, what's next? Time to immerse in the Swiss culture. The heart of any travel experience lies in the culture of the place. Switzerland, with its rich history and heritage, offers you a cultural smorgasbord that's as diverse as its geography. Whether it's the lively carnivals, charming folk music, or the grandeur of its many castles, every aspect of Swiss culture is a story waiting to be discovered. And let's not forget about the Swiss cuisine. From the world-renowned Swiss chocolates to the hearty cheese fondue, Swiss food is a culinary adventure in itself. Indulging in these delicacies not only satiates your taste buds, but also gives you a taste of Swiss history and tradition. Interacting with the locals is another enriching way to experience Swiss culture. The Swiss are known for their friendliness and hospitality. Engaging in conversations with them not only opens up your understanding of their way of life, but also gives you a sense of belonging, even if you're miles away from home. Visiting heritage sites, too, is a must. The medieval castles, the ancient ruins, the cobblestone streets, each of these is a testament to Switzerland's rich past. Walking through them is like taking a step back in time, offering a unique perspective on the country's history and evolution. Immersing in Swiss culture not only enriches your travel experience but also creates lasting memories. So don't miss out. So you've had a taste of Switzerland, but how do you make the most out of your Swiss adventure? It's all about making memories, right? And what better way to do that than by capturing the moment? Take copious amounts of photos, whether it's of the breathtaking Alps, the serene Lake Geneva, or the bustling city streets of Zurich. These visual keepsakes will help to keep your Swiss adventure alive long after you've returned home. But don't just rely on photos. Scribble down your experiences in a journal or a blog. Write about the taste of Swiss chocolate melting in your mouth, the thrill of paragliding over Interlaken, or the tranquility of a boat ride on Lake Lucerne. And of course, don't miss out on the highlights of Switzerland. Whether it's the Matterhorn, the Jet d'Eau, or the Chapel Bridge, ensure you've ticked off these iconic spots from your list. Remember, every Swiss adventure is unique. Make it yours, make it memorable. So, are you ready to embark on your Swiss journey?